Is your Roku device driving you crazy with endless power cycling right in the middle of your favorite show? The screen suddenly goes black only to restart over and over again. We have all been there, but don't worry, I have got the fix you need. Stay tuned and let's get your streaming back on track. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we will show you quick and easy fixes to get your Roku back on track. Let's dive in. Method 1. Try restarting your Roku device. If you are settling in for a cozy movie night, popcorn in hand, and suddenly your Roku device starts power cycling like it's in a never-ending loop. Power cycling issues with Roku devices involve the device repeatedly restarting or turning off and on. This can be caused by firmware glitches, hardware malfunctions, or unstable HDMI connections. But don't worry, there is a simple trick to try first. Start by unplugging your Roku device from the power source. Now, let it relax for a few minutes. After a while, plug it back in and let it reboot. This can sometimes clear out those pesky, minor glitches that might be causing the issue. If this doesn't work, don't lose heart. Just move on to the next method. Method 2. Check the HDMI connection. Next, you should ensure that the HDMI cable is securely connected to both your Roku device and your TV. A loose or faulty HDMI connection can cause the device to lose its link with the TV, leading to repeated restarting. Making sure the connection is stable can help prevent this problem. Method 3. Change the port and cable. When experiencing power cycling issues with your Roku device, you should try using a different HDMI port on your TV or a different HDMI cable if you have one available. This can help identify if the issue is caused by a faulty HDMI port or cable, which might be disrupting the connection and causing the device to restart repeatedly. By switching ports or cables, you can ensure a stable and reliable connection. So try changing the cable and the port and check if that helps. You should check with your internet service provider. Sometimes ISPs might throttle or overload the streaming bandwidth, which could affect your Roku. You can test this by trying other streaming services to see if they experience similar issues. Method 4. Check with your ISP. Also, make sure your Roku device isn't placed too close to your TV or other wireless devices, as this can cause interference. If needed, move it to a different location to ensure a stable connection. The key is to isolate whether the issue is with your home network, the Roku device itself, or your ISP. Identifying the root cause will help you address the problem effectively. Give these steps a try and see if they make a difference. Method 5. Perform a factory reset. If your Roku device is still having power cycling issues, you should try performing a factory reset to clear any cached data or settings that may be causing the problem. To do this, locate the reset button on your Roku device. It's usually a small pinhole button on the back or bottom of the device. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button using a paperclip or a similar tool. Hold the button for at least 20 seconds. Release the button and the device should restart and return to its factory settings. This method will clear any cached data or settings that might be causing the power cycling issues. Give it a try and see if it helps resolve the problem. Method 6. Contact Roku support. If the method shown in this video could not resolve the issue, you may need to contact Roku support for further assistance. They can help diagnose more complex hardware or software problems. Thank you for tuning in. We hope these tips help you fix your Roku's power cycling issues and get back to streaming your favorite shows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to help you. See you in the next video.